Welcome. Today we're going to put the exhaust on, and you'll see it was actually a little more difficult than we expected. Before we put the exhaust in, let's get this thing on the ground and see if I fit into it. Okay, I got two exhaust mounts. I'll put them on. Here I'm just trying to see if I can fit the exhaust and figure out how the spacing will work on these exhaust mounts. Boy, this turned into a big job. So to get these in, there's absolutely no room to get a nut and a washer in there. So I'm gonna have to pull the bearing cassettes out. That's quite a few bolts. Oh well, what do you do? Okay, so I've taken out all the bolts, but I can't get my wrench into there. So what I think I'm going to do is just knock this over a little bit. So I've loosened up these two bolts and just going to hammer it over a little bit. So I'm struggling, and I've realized there's a bolt on the brake caliper that's interfering with me pulling the axle out. So one more bolt and it should be free. So you see, I just got this pulled over just so it exposes these bolts. And now I'm going to put those exhaust hangers in. Just like so. my goodness, this is painful. It takes a little bit of fussing around to get these to line up and get them all in place. You can do it, takes a little bit of patience. You can watch me struggle. Okay, now when you're putting this axle back in, you do have to keep track of your height, low, medium, high, and you will want to adjust your axle height. I'm gonna go for medium, but a lot of guys go for the low setting, which is actually up like that. So. All these bolts tightened up, everything's back and tight, and we got our exhaust mounts back on. So now we have some puzzling to figure out. As you can see, this one has a small increase, and this one has a much larger step increase. So which one goes where? That's your guess is as good as mine. Let's figure this out. I think what we're going to do is put the exhaust in place to see. I think that'll work. I'm gonna try this. So you can see I put the one with the large step here. I put the one with a small step over there. And I hope that's correct. Because if it ain't, then I don't know what to say. Okay, huzzah. I got that exhaust bracket on. We got the spring clamps on the motor and the exhaust. And we got this one on. And I'll be honest, it looks okay. It looks okay. I think I'm happy with that. Now just to tighten up all the bolts and it's done. Thanks for joining. We'll catch you on the next episode.